Hello students, today we are going to solve the question from the exercise 4.2 from the chapter linear equation in two variable. Write four solutions for each of the following equation. These are the three linear equations given. Before we do this question, we know that the linear equation has infinite number of solutions, and out of that we have to find the fourth solution. Now let us solve the first part. 2x plus y is equals to 7. So it can be written as this form: y is equals to 2x will transpose that side, it becomes 7 minus 2x. So now we are going to put the value of x here. Now put x is equals to 0. So y will be equals to 7 minus 2 into 0. So when we solve this becomes 7 minus 0. 2 into 0 is 0. That is equals to 7. So when we are putting x equals to 0, we got the answer, that is y is equals to 7. So we will write 0, 7 is the solution of 2x plus y is equals to 7. So we have got the first solution. Now we will put x is equals to 1. When we put the value of x equals to 1, then we will get y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1, that is 7 minus 2, and that is equals to 5. So when we are putting 1, we get the y equals to 5. So we will write 1 comma 5 is the solution of 2x plus y is equals to 7. Now we will take the third value, and now we will put the value of x is equals to 2. So when we put x equals to 2, y will be equals to 7 minus 2 into 2, that is 7 minus 4, and that is equals to 3. So now we have another solution, that is 2 comma 3. So we write 2 comma 3 is the solution of 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2x plus y is equals to 7. Now I have done three solutions. In this question they have asked 4 questions. I am leaving one solution for as a homework for you, so you can find the fourth solution there. So now we will take the next question, that pi x plus y is equals to 4. So in this we can write y is equals to 9 minus pi x. Now we have to find the 4 solution. 3 solution I will do it for you, and 1 solution you will do it yourself. Now first we will put x is equals to 0. So in that case y is equals to 9 minus pi into 0. So that becomes 9 minus 0, that is equals to 0. Also that is equals to 9. So the solution is 0 comma 9. X is always written in front and y is written later on. So 0 comma 9 is the solution of pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now we'll put x equals to 1. Now we are going to put x equals to 1. So in that case y will be equals to 9 minus pi into 1. So that is 9 minus pi. So we are leaving the answer in terms of pi only. So the solution this time it will become 1 comma 9 minus pi is the solution of pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now let us take the third solution. Put x is equals to 2. So we'll have y is equals to 9 minus pi into 2, that is equals to 9 minus 2 into pi, that will make it 2 pi. So now we have another solution, that is 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi. This is the solution of pi x plus y is equals to 9. So I have done 3 solutions. 1 solution you will do it yourself. Now we will take the third equation. Now here what we will do is we will put, this time we are going to put y, the value of y. So put y is equals to 0. So when you put the y equals to 0, so in that case x is equals to 4 into 0, that is equals to 0. So one solution will be 0 comma 0 is the solution of y x is equals to 4y. Now we'll put y equals to 1. When we put y equals to 1, in that case x is equals to 4 into 1, that is equals to 4. So now another solution we are having this time is 4 comma 1 is the solution of x is equals to 4y. This is the second solution. Now we'll put y is equals to 2. So x is equals to 4 into 2, that is equals to 8. So now the solution is 8 comma 2 is the solution of x equals to 4y. Now in this all we have done the 3 solution, but in the question they have asked 4 solutions, so one solution you can do it yourself. Now as we can see, we can put the value of y equals to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on 5, and if you go on, then we have large number of solutions. That means we can have infinite number of solutions. So a linear equation is having infinite number of solutions. Now let us solve the third question of this exercise. Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. Now here the solution is given 0, 2 and whether we have to find whether it is a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4 or not. Now let us see, this is x and this is y. So first we'll take left hand side, that is equals to x minus 2y, and put the value of x and y. This is x and this is y. So 0 minus 2 into 2. So when we will solve this, 0 minus 4 and that is equals to minus 4. And what is the right hand side? Right hand side is 4. So you can see here the LHS, that is left hand side, is not equals to the right hand side. So we'll write LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore 0, 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now let us see the second part. In the second part, the solution is given, that is 2, 0, and we have to check. Now first we will take the left hand side, that is equals to x minus 2y. We will put the value of x equals to 2 and the y value is 0. So 2 minus 2 into 0. So that will become 2 minus 0 and that is equals to 2. And what is our right hand side? The right hand side is, you can see, 4. So again LHS is not equals to RHS. So therefore we can say that 2, 0 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now let us check third whether it is solution or not. Now again we will calculate the left hand side, that is x LHS is equals to x minus 2y. Now this is x and this is y. So we'll put the value of x and y. So it is 4 minus 2 into 0. So that is 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. So right hand side, here it is 4. So in this case, you can see that left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore we can say that 4, 0 is the solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now let us take the fourth part. Again we'll calculate the left hand side, that is equals to x minus 2y. The x is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. So when we solve this will become root 2 minus 2 4s are 8. So it becomes 8 root 2. So root 2 minus 8 root 2 is minus 7 root 2. And what is our right hand side? That is equals to 4. So we can see LHS is not equals to RHS. Therefore root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now the last one, let us see the last one. Again, let us find the LHS, that is equals to x minus 2y. This is the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 1 again. So 1 minus 2 into 1, 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. And what about RHS? As we can see, it is 4. So here also LHS is not equals to RHS, that is the right hand side. So therefore we can say that 1 comma 1 is not a solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Only in this case we can see that the left hand side and right hand side are equal. So 4 comma 0 is the solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4, whereas rest of the solutions are not the solution of x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now let us solve the question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Find the value of k if x equals 2, y equals to 1 is the solution of 2x plus 3y is equals to k. This is the linear equation in two variable, and it is given that the solution is given x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So let us put the value of x equals to 2 here and the value of y equals to 1. So 3 into 1. Let us solve this. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. So we will solve it. 7 is equals to k. So the value of k is 7.